Hey everyone, thanks for listening to the Grow Your Life podcast. My name is Jeremiah Krakowski. On this podcast, I talk about ways for coaches, trainers, and mentors to grow their businesses and to make more money online. Now today, I want to talk about the right ways of using artificial intelligence in your business. I noticed that a lot of people use it in the wrong way. They think that it's supposed to replace human beings, when in fact the truth is it's supposed to help you. It's supposed to help you do more of what you do best. And so I want to talk about the best ways that we can, in our businesses, use AI. For me, in my business, I use it by taking an idea that I already have. And then I take the AI and it refines that idea. It makes it better. It improves it. It makes it something that I can use deeper without needing to work so hard myself. For instance, I will take transcripts of sessions that I have and have the AI analyze the transcripts to give me ideas for what content to create. I'll have it remix other pieces of content to come up with additional kinds of content. I'll have it dig deeper into certain things about the psychology or the psychographics of my students and customers. And what it does is it lets me know, okay, these are the types of people that you work best with. These are the ones that you want to continue working with. And here's maybe some ideas for what to create so that people want to actually work with you. And so this gives me an opportunity to really refine exactly who I work with, how I work with them, and what produces results. Instead of me trying to guess, instead of me just trying to figure it out. And so when you use AI, that's one of the ways that I would recommend using it, as this brainstorming buddy, a partner that you can use to come up with ideas or to brainstorm you into new ideas that you have. Now, there's a lot of different things that you can do with AI, from video to audio to graphics. I would focus on keeping it simple in the beginning, using tools like ChatGPT to learn. But there's some new ones that are out there that are really, really great. Like Grok 3 is really good from X. I love using that one for a lot of different things. So just try out different kinds of AI and see, okay, what's working good for you, for your goals, for your different purposes, and what you're trying to accomplish. And that'll help you out right there. Now, don't look to the AI to be the answer that solves every problem that you have, that does the work for you, because AI is not supposed to do all the work for you, okay? It never was intended to do all the work for you. It's supposed to just be an assistant that helps you come up with different ideas on your own. Now, if you're struggling with what do I ask the AI, this is what I love to do, is I love to actually describe what my problem is, what the solution I'm looking for is, into a tool like Grok 3 or ChatGPT, and actually ask the AI how to ask it. Literally, the AI will tell you how to ask it, how to prompt it, what to say for anything that you can come up with, and it'll do that very high quality as well. So you're never alone when it comes to having AI and wondering, is this going to work if I say it this way or if I post it this way? No, the AI itself will actually help you get out of your own way and your own sticking point that you have right there yourself. And so realize that there's a genius that you have as a person that the AI can't match, can't rival. There's a genius level of knowing your subject matter, knowing how people are going to respond, knowing what people like, how do you express it, how do you explain it with people, that the AI can't do better than you can. And so realize that it's best to lean into that human aspect that you have, and then the artificial intelligence can help adjust it, tweak it, make it a little bit better. But at the end of the day, it's best to focus on what feels the most authentic, what feels like me, what feels like I'm on the right path when it comes to doing this. And usually when it comes to AI and you really lean into like, okay, well, what feels good? That works really well, okay? So don't overthink it. Don't overanalyze it. You can do a lot of great things with AI and keep it very simple, very short in the process, all right? Grow your life, everybody, and I'll talk soon. Have a good one.